Looking to boost your HVAC website's rankings on Google and bring in more leads for central air or ductless system installations? Stratedia has the solution. With Stratedia's tailored SEO strategies for HVAC companies, you'll get a custom-built WordPress website that adapts to any device, packed with optimized content and designed to load lightning fast. Proven SEO techniques that target high-converting keywords like HVAC service near me, furnace repair near me, AC service near me, and more. We'll also supercharge your local SEO to expand your Google Map listing visibility across your service area, driving more leads right to your door. But that's not all. Stratedia offers a full suite of services to grow your heating and cooling business, including Google and Facebook ad management, social media management, email marketing, and graphic design services. Ready to take your HVAC business to the next level? Stratedia is here to get you to the top. Call us today for a free website audit or sign up now.